Alright, in this video, I want to show us on how we can mine this ARI airdrop. This ARI airdrop, if you know the kind of amount they're giving out to the community, you'll be shocked. And this airdrop is supported by top tiers, and very soon, maybe before their listing, I'll be buying this airdrop from us at the rate of $1 per point. So let me show us on how we can mine this airdrop. So once you get here, just click on testnet. This one. Click on testnet. But before you get to that stage, I think you're going to sign up. Yeah. This is app. You have to download the app. So let me just show you before you. Let me show you. Let's go to Play Store together. So once you click on the link, this will take you to my Play Store. Where's my Play Store? Okay. It will take you to my Play Store. So from the Play Store, you're going to see this kind of app. So once you click on the link, it should take you to Play Store directly. So as you can see here, let's wait. Okay. As you can see, this is the app. This is the app here, as you can see. As the ARI Wallet. So once you click on the link, it's supposed to take you down here, and we are good to go. So that's how the app look like on Play Store. So as you can see, I have about 440 points. So this project is not listing less than $1. So I don't want you to just have the expectation of maybe it's not going to be up to that level, or maybe it's not. Okay, no. This is not Telegram airdrop that you'll be scared of 0.000. These are projects backed by top tiers exchange. So this is not shaking airdrop. So what I'm not going to do once you get here, before you get to this stage, it's going to ask you that you should claim your daily check-in. Daily check-in will be giving you, I think, 13 points, if I'm not wrong. So as you can see that I'm 440 now. So let me go back. So I click on this so that you can know how I got here. Oh, sorry, where is this thing? Did this appear? Okay. I click on this thing. I click there, as you can see. So we have today's quiz daily check-in. So I should click on that daily check-in now. I think I've done my own daily check-in for today. That is why it could show, as you can see now, I've done the daily check-in. So if I should get 25 days, I will be have 100 points. So I think I've gotten to how many days now? So I think the 20 gave me 50 points. So if I did not miss any day, it's going to give me 100 points. But if I should miss a day, I will start from 10 again. So each day is 10 points. That's about that. And the second part of it is that today's quiz, I think I've done the quiz and I've gotten the answer. You have already participated. Yes. So I will be dropping the answer of this on the group of each quiz. So I have people that have done this. You just send it to us and we just put on our group. Just make sure you are doing it every day. Don't miss out. Position for this. All this thing now is not, in fact, it's not to 5 minutes. 5 minutes. It's not to 2 minutes. If you have good network, just click papa, you are done for that day, the following day. So that's why I'm saying that this airdrop is not something that you have excuse that maybe you have a busy day. No. For someone like me, before I go to work in the morning, once I'm up by 5, I'll do my devotion. I used to dedicate like 10-15 minutes for this thing. Once I'm done, I'll just leave there. I get in, so I'm done for that day till following day. So that is how this project work. Daily check-in and quiz. So we have about 440 points here. As you can see, we are good to go. I think there's a task we need to do here. Maybe I'm going to drop that in the next video for us to see how we can carry out a particular task on this ARI wallet. So that's how about ARI wallet airdrop works. So you are going to see the link in the description or the comment section. So just click and start immediately. I'm saying for the second time, this is not a project of $0.5. This is a project from $1 upward. From $1 upwards. In fact, I will start buying from in that amount. Maybe from next month. You don't want to sell. You can see that you can send. So you can send. So it's not something that maybe it is sure. So it's just as if you mine PI, you can send PI out. So that's how it works. So very easy and easy to do. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can like this video and share to your friends. Let them also benefit from it. Thank you.